You have completed your homework. Yes, I can see Shomrik. Very good, beta. All of you have completed. So very nice. Yes, Arjo. Very good. Ankita, your camera totally rotate. So please check your camera and reset your camera. তুমি পুরো উল্টো হয়ে গেছো আমার কাছে। Yes, Dhrupad, you have joined, and Tomojit also. So those have newly joined, please write down P through the chat box for your attendance. Okay, so first you have, again we will do page number 30, that is the number names. Come on, and we have written up to 55. Up to 55 we have already completed. So today we will write down now 56 to 60. Come on, write down. Start writing 55 to 60. You have only 2 minutes. Come on, let's see who will be the first one to complete this. Page number 32, sorry, page number 30, page number 30. Come on, write down. All of you start writing. Those have completed the book, please take out any other copy, math copy, and write over there. "55" we have completed. Up to 55 we have completed. So 56 to 60, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Come on, hurry up. I know you can do. If you are practicing regularly these number names, then you will be right very fast. Shugato, I can see you have written this answer, but I want to see your copy. Come on, write down. Tell me who has completed. Anyone? Hurry up, hurry up. All my dearest students will write, I can see. Very good. Porinita, it is okay. But you will write in your book or any note, any math copy. First you will write down over there. Then after we will start discussion through the board. Who has sent? Shushobhon. Shushobhon completed, beta. And Shugato also. Okay, so those have completed. Very good. Complete work. Arjo has written. My work is completed, ma'am. Very good, Nandini. It is the appropriate sentence. My work is completed. Very good. Again, Shushobon আমাকে complete করে দিয়েছে. So লিখে দিয়েছে completed, ma'am. And so Shushobhan, please write down. If you will write, my work is completed, that is more appropriate. Okay. So now my turn. I'm writing on the board. So those have completed, please check with me. So first one is 56. So 50, we know 50 spelling, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 6, S-I-X. Very good. Then after 57, so 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 57, S-E-V-E-N. Then after 58, F-I-F-T-Y, 8, E-I-G-H-T. And the next one, 59. So we know very well 50 spelling, F-I-F-T-Y, 59, N-I-N-E. And the last one, 60. 6 spelling, you everybody knows, we have already knows a 60 spelling. So S-I-X and T-Y. Complete. So S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Okay, I can see Arush also joined this class. So Arush, please, those have joined the later on, please write down P, okay, through the chat box. Then after I get your answer. Okay, Oshmit also. So those have joined newly, please write down P through the chat box. Then after I can take your answer, I can take your attendance. Ankita, have you written the number names? Ankita? Okay, so those have completed, very good. So next, all of you, I would request to all of you, please take out any copy, any note copy, any math copy. And I'm just doing revision term 1 syllabus. Okay, small questions now I am giving for you and you will give the answer. So first one, please write down, all of you, take out any note copy or any math copy. First, number 1. Now I am just draw here. You can see it is the abacus. You know this? So left one is tens and ones. And I am drawing the beads. Now the question is, write the number and write in words. Write the number first, then after you will write down in the expanded form, that means write in words. Expanded forms, or you can say it is in words. Very good. Nandini, Shugato, Arjo, Orgho. Okay, Brotin, very good. Now you will write write this write these maths or write this work from the board. Inakshi, don't do this. Don't do this. Where is your copy, Inakshi? Where is your copy? Okay, তুমি লিখছো তো? Okay, very good. Very nice. So I hope you have completed this one. Very good. I can see all my students has given correct answers. 3 tens and 2 ones. Very good. 3 tens, 3 tens, 2 ones. So answer I am writing on the board. First you will write like this. 3 tens, 2 ones. First কি করলাম নাম্বারটা লিখলাম. Then after next question is write in words. That means expanded form or words. That means 3 tens and 2 ones. Completed. Now next one, number 2 question. Write the number name of 77. Come on, it is very easy. Write the number name of 77. Orgo, you have written 33. No, number 1 answer was 32 because there is 3 tens, 2 ones. That means 32. Very good. Nandini, Orgo also, Porinita, very nice. Yes, very good. So number name 77. SEVENTY. 77. SEVEN. 77. Very good. Number 3. Circle the greatest number. You know, greatest number we have already done. So circle the greatest number. The numbers are come on, write down. Circle the greatest number and the numbers are given below. So which one is the greatest? You just circle on it. Wow, very nice Nandini, Shugato, Porinita, Arjo, Aishman. Wow, very good. Orgo, Shushobon, Inakshi. Really, such a good students you were. Very nice. All my intelligent students, they have given the correct answer. Yes, Ritika, Afrin, Inakshi. All my students. Tomojit, you can't see the board. So Tomojit, please. Okay. Aditya also written the answer. Very good. So Aditya, you have joined the class. Please write down P through the chat box. Then I can get your attendance. Okay, Aditya, very good. Yes, Aditya has written. Very nice. Thank you, Aditya. And next one, Ankita also written correct answer. Very nice. So, sorry, I have rubbed it. So, 93 is the greatest number. Okay. 93 is the greatest number. So, you have given the correct answer. Next, number 4. Write the between number. Write the between number of 38 dash 40. 38 dash 40. Okay, so very good. All the students has given correct answer. Yes, between number of 38 and 40, that is 39, because 38 after 39. Very good. Come on, the next number 5. Write the number. Seven tens and 9 ones. 7 tens and 9 ones. Come on, write the number. Wow. Nandini has given the first answer. Then after Porinita, Aishman, Ritika, Orgho, Afrin, Shugato, Jasimali, Arjo only written 7. Okay, now Arjo is given correct answer. Very good, Arjo. And Shatoki. So all my dear students also given the correct answer. That means 7 tens and 9 ones. So 7 tens, 9 ones. Very good. So today we have done this 5 small questions through the revision, and we have done also the number names. And last one, I am giving for you small homework, that is page number 33. You have already done 32. That will discuss next day. We will discuss next day. Your homework, page number 33. Page number 33, 26 to 31. 31 also written. So 32. 31 also written. So page number 33. You will do 26 to 32. 26 to 32. These number you will do in your book. If you have already done in your book, then you will do any math copy. Okay, it is your homework. Next day we will discuss again. And we have already done these 5 small questions. And you know very well that is what is the syllabus in our syllabus, you know very well, but today also I am telling this. You know very well that page number 16 to page number 48, you know, page numbers from 16 to 48 from your book, it is your syllabus. And multiplication table 3 and 4, and number names 1 to 100, and the numbers also 1 to 100, and it is your term 1 syllabus, and with include your PT1 syllabus also including with this term 1 syllabus. And whatever we will do in our live classes regular, that's also include this. So রোজ রোজ আমরা যেগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করছি সেগুলো তো এর সাথে থাকছেই। এছাড়াও বুকসে তোমাদের যে টার্ম 1 কোশ্চেন যেটা তোমাদের সিলেবাস সেটাও থেকে তো থাকছেই। সো দিজ অল আর your syllabus. So you will practice at your home all the chapters, and maybe like your number names, before number, after number, between number, all this, and the ascending order, descending order, and greater than, less than, equal, not equal, all these. And the last the page, that is 48 page, that is the 10 groups that we have already practiced in our ePortal worksheets also. So you will practice these chapters regularly. And multiplication table in your term 1 only 3 and 4, but you have already completed in your PT1 1 and 2. So now we will in our term 1 syllabus will come 1 2 3 4, 1 2 4, all you will practice. And along with this, all these things that I have told, number names, you should practice number names regularly, otherwise you cannot do. Okay, so practice to write নাম্বার নেমসগুলো স্পেলিংগুলো রোজ লেখা প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে 1 2 যতদূর তোমরা পড়ছো বা পড়েছো বা মুখস্থ করছো যা হোয়াট এভার ইউ হ্যাভ টু মেমোরাইজ দিস থিংস, সো রেগুলার ইউ শুড রাইট ডাউন অল অফ দিস. ওকে, so it is our today's class. Next day we will meet again in our another video. Till then, goodbye and tata.